Hello, you're watching Shubhadeep's Travel Diary. In this series, you are watching beautiful Switzerland. In the earlier episode, you have seen Mount Titlis, Engelberg, Cable Car, Interlaken and Golden Pass. This is fourth and last episode of Switzerland, and now I am going towards north of Switzerland. Today my journey is starting from Zurich HP towards Rhine Falls. Rhine Falls is almost near to Germany, and to reach there I need to travel about 1 hour train journey from Zurich HP. You can see the side landscape is different and no hills like previous visited places. This season I had started my preschool. Now I am at Rhine Falls and looking so big it is. The water is coming from upper side and going down and has created a lake over there. This is biggest waterfall in the Europe. See at the middle how this rock is standing in the water, and this water flow has make hole inside the rock. This board is telling about the waterfall. The iron board it saying 1880. Probably on that year that has sent the mark. This waterfall is 150 meters wide. But surprising thing is that how people went there. In the lake and its waves and people are floating there. I can't go that side tonight. I have flight to back to London. Do you know no fish can climb the waterfall except eelfish? According to Wikipedia, this waterfall was created at the time of last ice age about 14,000 to 17,000 years ago. One cave is there. I am going inside. How near we are of the waterfall? We can't touch the water. How they made this thing surprising? A family photo? This photo was taken at Zurich HP Central Station. We are waiting for train to go to airport. This way my fourth Switzerland tour. Okay, so that's all about my Switzerland trip. Next I'm going to share my travel on beautiful Sikkim. Sikkim is a state of India in Himalayas. Practically, Sikkim is much friendly for traveler and safe for and super clean city in Gangtok. There are photos from Sikkim. Beautiful wild flowers, Snow in Himalayas. Province. Third highest mountain. A beautiful village. Rabangla. One of the biggest Buddha temple. Hanging Bridge. Thank you friends for watching and coming back on next episode on beautiful place in Sikkim. Please like and subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Thank you and goodbye for now. Coming back on next week.